Hi, I'm Brenda, and in this video, we will be talking about PXI function generators and their independent engine architecture, and how we're able to deliver unmatched flexibility with signal generation. Each channel of our waveform generation have their own engine, which allows for each channel to be able to use their independent triggers, also generate different type of waveforms, and be able to also configure these ones separately and start and stop asynchronously. For this demo, we will be using our PXI function generator with the two channels, and we will be configuring and measuring the signal through our PXI scope. All the configuration will be done by using NI Instrument Studio. For those who are not familiar, Instrument Studio is our companion software used for PXI instruments, where you can set up, configure, and visualize all the instruments in one place. So let's go and take a look into our demo. So as you can see, I already have my waveform generator and my oscilloscope configuration windows up. But before we dive in, I actually want to show you one of my favorite features that Instrument Studio has. So if we click in the gear that is on the side of our instrument, we can see that it will list the instruments that are on our system on that category. So I will go and choose my first function generator because both of them are of the same model. And I can see that it will allow me to access all the documentation that we have of this PXI function generator. So I will go click the user manual. And this will take me to ni.com and all the information that I need to really understand and see more of the specifications of my module. So now let's go and take back and start the independent engine demo. So what we'll be doing is that we will be generating two different types of signals with different configurations, and we will be visualizing that with our scope. So in my channel 0, I will have my sine waveform with a frequency of 5 kilohertz and in an amplitude of 3 volts peak to peak. On my channel 1, I will be generating a square waveform with a frequency of 3 kilohertz with an amplitude of 2 volts peak to peak. So I will go start and generate my signals, and then now I will go ahead and start my scope and enabilitate my channels. So as we can see, we're looking into both of my signals, which are different type of waveforms. But now let's say that I need to change my configuration of my first signal. So I will go ahead and change the normal acquisition for a sweep. And then I will indicate that I want to start from 100 hertz to 1 kilohertz. And I will go ahead and then turn it on again. So as we can see, we have different measurements, we have different configurations, all the signals running in parallel without any constraint. Break out of the box with PXI function generator, enabled to unlock the full flexibility of your signal generation. We invite you to explore our PXI portfolio in order to see how we can elevate your test performance with a scalable and modular flexible platform that is built in for automation. Thanks for watching.